And so I'm showing y'all right here. This is my ground turkey. I use yeah, ground turkey. And then right here I got like four. I got four different sausages. So I got hot links and I got um, three different sausages. Mix um, I like to mix my meat. I don't just like one sausage. I like different. Like I like Italian sausage. I like hot links, and then two other sausages I like to put in there. So right now I'm just showing y'all what I'm getting my meat done. Oh my god! So right now, basically, I'm cooking my meat, and I'm showing y'all what it's looking like. So this is step one. Okay, guys. So here I have all my veggies cut up. I have some fresh garlic. I have green bell pepper, yellow peppers, and fresh onion. Here I have my sauce cooking down. It's looking really good. So now I'm going to add in my veggies. I have my stewed tomato and all my other ingredients. So now it's just waiting for me to add in the veggies. And here are all the hot links and sausage. I like to, so first, as you guys seen, like I started cooking them whole, and then I take them out when it's like more than halfway done. I cut them up in pieces like so, and then I put them in a skillet and I fry them because I like to get that little, not, you know, not burnt, but that little, you know, crisp type of whatever on each side. So these are the hot links and the sausages, and I like to cook mine. I like to make sure they well done. So now I'm going to add in all my veggies, and then I'm going to add in all my sausages and hot links to my sauce. Alrighty guys, my sauce is all done. Look at that. It looks so good.
Know some young niggas like to sway. Know some young niggas like to swing. Big bang, take little bang. Every day spilling up drain. She want the whole crew, shorty break. When the money talks, what is there to say? Blow away, watch it blow away. When I die, can't take it to the grave. Anything change. Coasting, gripping grand. Going through the money like a fade. Don't say my name in vain. I'm so glad that you came. All these bad bitches getting slain. Broke ass nigga get a clue. All these niggas know how we do. Know some young niggas like to sway. Know some young niggas like to swing. Big bang, take little bang. Every day spilling up drain. She want the whole crew, shorty break. When the money talks, what is there to say?
Okay guys, this is the end result. It came out so good. Homemade spaghetti.
And everything. How y'all throw her? I don't know. I've been feeling funny for a couple days. Yo, she's smiling and laughing. Out there stranded, cold, shivering, walking back forth.
You guys see this? Her camera, she left us here, stranded. We had to walk from the Mesa Park. We walked there.
We walked from Gorman to Mesa Park.
Sitting there for about 2 hours. It was fun. In the cold and hot. And then had to walk all the way back. And she laughed.
I'm not laughing.
Yeah, you was laughing.
I was at work.
And I left my lemonade.
My dad acting like he ain't hear us. You heard
He
it.
called me. He was trying to send y'all an Uber, but y'all phone was dead. Y'all, I had to work.
I felt like crying.
I'm thirsty. I need something. I can't.
I had to work.
My throat hurt. I need some juice.
Your throat don't hurt.
Yes, it does.
Did y'all meet any friends at the park?
Don't ask me about no friends.
I was going to tell my friends to come to the park, but my phone was dead.
Just too much. Dad, come on here, Pet Boys. What you doing at Pet Boys? Pet Boys over here. Out there stranded.
With no charger.
Y'all should learn how to catch the bus.
I'm over. I'm done.
Y'all could have took the bus all the way down Koala Park to Charleston.
We was about to walk 2 hours to your job.
Y'all would have made it.
In there.
We should have just went. Well, variety you want to walk.
Good.
I wanted to sit out there in the cold. I said, let's go.
Shivering.
Connect
Anywhere in your home with wall-to-wall coverage from Cox Panoramic Wi-Fi. Speeds vary.
If the phone was there, what you would have walked to? What you would have came to the park?
That's what the last text message said. Come to the park.
And see, good thing I said.
Man, shut up. I hope you didn't use my stuff because it looked like you did. It's nice over there though.
In the park, there's a lot of people out there.
Yeah, so much people.
I like this song.
Where we going now?
Where y'all going?
Can we go to them buses? Huh?
What y'all already dropped out?
Well, you lucky I'm containing my anger right now. Lips actually using French fries for Vaseline.
Can you put my charger on the jacket? What you looking at my charger?
First thing, we need to go get some drink. I need a Slurpee.
Oh, I was so mad.
Y'all know I got
All I
work
was
tomorrow.
thinking about was snuggling up in my bed.
All I was thinking about was comfort, just some cold, hot cocoa.
But we was laughing.
It was like, yeah, it was fun, but I want to go home.
But see, things like this, y'all kids today, all y'all know is the internet. Y'all don't know nothing about being outside and figuring shit out outside. Y'all just know the phone. So this was a good experience that y'all will always remember how y'all was outside for
Stranded
phone.
at the park.
Stranded, cold, shivering.
Yeah, people used to go to the park.
We was about to ask the people for their numbers, for
Okay,
their
I
phones.
personally think that I have more common sense than everyone.
No, you
because
didn't.
Mariah wanted to stay there and ask about her phone. I said, let's go to the store.
I told y'all that in the beginning to go to the sushi spot and charge y'all phone.
Exactly. And see, I had more common sense. They was going to stay there. And I said, no.
I wish I had some money on me now. We could have got some acai bowls.
Yeah, y'all didn't have no money?
No. You think if I had money, I would have been going to the gas station.
I probably would have had a Slurpee in my hand right now.
Right now, right. And we bought this, and then I forgot what else I bought. Drop top, stop playing with me.
Bro, I think I left my charger at work.
Yeah, use them all. I wonder, I need some non-slip shoes. I don't know.
On her tape.
I
You
gotta
did that to her, so she did that back to you.
Girl, I need to go to the mall and get me some. I think Crocs are non-slip shoes. Cause I be seeing them wear Crocs. But if they are, I'm gonna wear my new ones. You know you can't have that on.
Oh shit, all my videos copyrighted. Shit. When I blow up, that's when I'll have to go back in there and change them. Zabe, you gotta go subscribe to my YouTube channel. You gotta subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Is that? Girl, no one's dead. You don't got to. Mine was the first one dead. Just trifling.
Who trifling?
Everything.
Who trifling?
Everybody.
Who?
Everybody.
Who?
Everybody.
Say it.
Everybody.
You in the mouth with the damn braces.
That's her cute.
I wasn't even talking about you, but okay.
What you say? That's why I asked you.
We should go to Dave and Buster's. I gotta put clothes on.
You said what?
We should go to Dave and Buster's.
We should.
I could go to Sunday.
I put my damn video uploaded.